Uncrewed aerial systems or drones are disruptive technology that are reshaping industries worldwide. Drone use is increasing rapidly, and it's my mission to make drone science entertaining and accessible. Before we start, I want to share something that can transform your drone program. We've worked with over 50 enterprise programs and found the exact factors that separate struggling operations from those that deliver millions in ROI. We've put these insights into our free Enterprise Drone Program Maturity Assessment. It's a $2,500 value. It's designed to show you your program's maturity stage, reveal your top 3 quick wins, and give you a roadmap for growth. Don't miss out on this free opportunity. The link is in the description. Hi, everyone. This is Jason San Souci with the Do No Drones podcast, and we are recording live from the Commercial UAV Expo in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am here with my first guest, good friend, and amazing entrepreneur. We have the CEO of FlytBase, Nitin Gupta. Nitin, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Jason. Lovely to be here.
This is definitely one of my favorite shows for a wide variety of reasons. Covering everyone that's new. I was shocked. I'm always shocked at the number of new entries, new exhibitors that come, the new people that come. I think it's so amazing for the industry and definitely needed. But let's not talk about what's going right. Let's talk about what's going wrong. And I'm not trying to be controversial here. Okay, maybe I'm trying to be a little controversial here, but I want your opinion because everyone's going to have a very different opinion on this. What do you believe, from your perspective, that the drone industry today is doing wrong?
So that's a very interesting question, Jason, and you're going to put me in a lot of controversy, I guess, but that's okay. That is what we are here for, and it's always good to think about things from that perspective because it helps us course correct and it helps us figure out what can we do better. So great question. So let me think about it. I think in the drone industry, when I talk to a lot of our friends, a lot of people who we regularly talk to, I realize one thing that we are not talking enough, and that is AI.
That's fair.
So if you see how things have changed in last 1 year in the world of AI, and we all look at news, we all look at what Anthropic is doing, OpenAI is doing, and Google and Meta and everybody is doing. And I am not sure if we realize all that is going to impact our industry as well as it is going to impact almost everyone on this planet. And the sooner we start having more conversations around that, the sooner we start realizing what impact this massive change in technology is going to have on each one of us, our businesses, our industry, our even personal lives and everything, the better prepared we will be to really make use of this change. I would say not just accommodate to that change, but actually leverage the opportunity that is becoming available. So I think that is something that we are still not doing enough, and we need to have a lot more conversations around that.
So when you say that the drone industry isn't embracing AI enough, what are some of the easy things, the quick wins that we can do as an overall industry to sort of make that jump less of a hurdle?
Right. So I think most of us still are looking at things from the traditional way of looking at it. Like, for example, we are still talking about how do pilots build their SOPs and how do pilots really fly their drones, right, and a lot of those things. However, while I understand that tactically a lot of these things are important, it is important to figure out a lot of those things in order to make our operations live and in order to scale our operations. But at the same time, I think it is becoming very, very important to look a little bit ahead in the future and realize what is going to be the role of these operators. Will they be really operating the drones the way they have been operating for the last 5-7 years, or will it be very, very different in the sense that will they be more of orchestrating or figuring out what needs to be done and letting AI do that job for them? So the kind of training, the way to think about your operations will change a lot in the next couple of years. And the sooner we start doing that, the less of an abrupt change it will be, and we will be better prepared to actually leverage this technology and deploy it to our advantage.
I think that's an amazing answer and very thoughtful and very forward looking. And I think just like in the keynote this morning,
there is a lot that we don't know about this industry that's continuing to become uncovered as we are scaling.
Absolutely.
And I think that is absolutely one of those things,
Yes.
right? Understanding how and where autonomy and AI fits into this industry, how to get it to work to our benefit,
Right.
without replacing a workforce by upskilling them,
Absolutely.
multiplying them.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And see, a lot of those fears around workforce replacement or making them redundant are little bit unfounded in my opinion. The thing is, of course, the jobs will not remain the same. Jobs have to change. And for that, upskilling becomes very important. And upskilling can happen only when we realize what kind of skills are now going to be important. And see, the interesting thing is these playbooks don't exist yet. Those courses or those kind of programs where
It's true.
people can be taught of how to use AI for your drone programs don't exist yet, because this all is so new. Right. And that is why I think it is our job and responsibility to figure out those playbooks, figure out what this industry will look like, create those structured programs so that we can better prepare our workforce to be ready for that change.
Amazing answers. And thank you so much for your time. This is a micro podcast coming live from the Do You Know Drones podcast. And I just appreciate your time, appreciate your insights, and always a pleasure to have you on the show.
Thank you, Jason. Great being here.
Okay, bye now.